equal and opposite forces in parallel lines constitute a couple. The effect of a couple on a body is rotational motion. Observe the two anti-parallel forces. Opening of a tap, opening of a lid are due to effect of couple. A precise couple produces pure rotational motion. This is a working model to demonstrate couple producing rotational motion. As you see, water can has four outlets at its bottom in the form of small holes. The water can has a provision at the bottom center for pivotion. Water is filled up to the rim of water can. As we unplug the holes, water comes out of the holes. The holes are made in such a way along the same straight line, water comes out in opposite directions. The force with which water comes out in opposite direction creates two equal unlike parallel forces constituting a couple resulting in rotational motion. As the water level goes down, the speed of rotation decreases. Now we refill the can. As we increase the level of water in the can, observe the speed of rotation. It increases.